guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chantel, and today I am so excited about unboxing the iPad Mini 6 with you. I bought this Apple certified refurbished, as you can see here on this box, and I thought I would kind of run you through why I made that call. And that's kind of why I wanted to get a video up, because this is the first time I have seen the iPad Mini 6 up on the Apple certified refurbished website, and it's kind of why I decided to spring for it. I was able to get the larger 256 gigabyte version of the iPad Mini 6 that is currently in the main lineup that you can buy from directly from the Apple store for $100 off. So for me, that was worth it, and I totally sprang for it. I do have a full comparison review of every single iPad in the current lineup. I have had the opportunity to try all of them. Since then, I have just kind of stuck with one iPad. I'm using the iPad 12.9 M2 Pro, if you're curious, but since I have kind of gotten rid of all of my extra iPads, I found myself really missing having an iPad mini as a secondary device. I love the Apple certified refurbished program, particularly because it's, for me, the only way I'm comfortable buying refurbished tech at all. And that's because Apple certified refurbished comes with the guaranteed same Apple quality, and you get the same 1-year warranty, and you have the option to purchase Apple Care. And what really sells me on it is that they give you a brand new outer shell and a brand new battery. So to me, besides just the outer box being different, there's not too much different in the user experience. So unless you are someone who really wants that brand new experience, or if the price is close enough, to be honest, you have to really kind of look and see if the product is enough money off to make it worth it for you. But if you find it for enough money off on Apple certified refurbished, I have no problems recommending it, and I recommend it to my family and my friends all of the time. So I thought I would recommend it to you as well. This is not the first time I've talked about it on here. I have bought from Apple certified refurbished before. I bought my studio display Apple certified refurbished, and I have had literally zero problems with it whatsoever. So I had no problem buying the Mini 6 that way as well. I usually like to recommend buying iPads when you can see them about $100 off or more, because then you can use that money for the Apple Pencil, which I think is totally worth it for that full iPad experience, or you can put it towards accessories and things as well. So I'm excited about it. I got a different color this time. I got the Starlight color. I actually think the Starlight color is probably more my vibe, so I'm excited to see what that looks like, and if you're interested, we'll get into it. thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps out this small business and channel more than you know. And I have actually placed an order on Amazon for some fun iPad mini 6 accessories. So if you're interested in that, it'll probably be the next video that I put up. So if you subscribe, you will get notified when that goes live if you're into it. So let me know what you'd like to see next. Leave a comment if you are so inclined, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.